Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to make some extra money while you shop, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be showing you how to earn cashback using the Rakuten app. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the app and maximize your savings. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Rakuten app. First, you need to download the Rakuten app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Rakuten and install the app on your device. Once it's downloaded, open the app to get started. Step 2. Create an account. If you don't already have a Rakuten account, you'll need to create one. Tap on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information like your email address and password. Be sure to check your email for a confirmation link to activate your account. Step 3. Browse retailers. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing the list of participating retailers. Rakuten partners with a variety of stores, both online and in person, including popular sites like Amazon, Walmart, and Macy's. You can either scroll through the categories or use the search function to find specific retailers. Step 4. Activate cashback offers. Before you make any purchases, be sure to activate the cashback offers. Tap on the retailer you want to shop at, and you'll see available cashback rates. Click on Activate Cashback to ensure your transactions are tracked for cashback. Doors. Step 5. Shop through the app. Now it's time to shop. After activating the cashback offer, you can either shop directly through the Rakuten app or click through to the retailer's website. Make sure to complete your purchases in this way to qualify for cashback. Step 6. Complete your purchase. Proceed with your shopping as you normally would. Add items to your cart, apply any discounts or promo codes, and complete your purchase. Keep your order confirmation, as it's important for tracking your cashback. Step 7. Check your cashback earnings. Once your order is confirmed, your cashback will begin processing. You can check your earnings by going back to the Rakuten app and navigating to the My Earnings section. This typically takes a few days to appear in your account after purchase. Step 8. Cash out your earnings. Once you've accumulated enough cashback, you can cash out your earnings. Rakuten allows you to receive your cashback via PayPal or a check, depending on your preference. Just go to the Cash Out section and follow the prompts to receive your cashback. Step 9. Refer friends. To earn even more cashback, consider referring friends to Rakuten. You can use your unique referral link that you'll find in the app. When your friends sign up and make their first purchase, both you and your friend can earn additional cashback. Don't forget, using Rakuten is a smart way to make the most of your shopping trips and to earn some extra money effortlessly. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on saving money and making the most of your shopping experience. Happy shopping!